B2B sales consulting, how AI tools can transform your sales. AnyBiz. In today's digital age, traditional sales methods can't keep up, making B2B sales consulting crucial. AI tools like AnyBiz are transforming this landscape by automating processes and enhancing sales strategies. B2B sales consulting provides expert strategies to boost sales, optimize lead generation, and increase revenue. Consultants offer fresh insights into sales cycles, buyer behavior, and market trends, helping businesses stay relevant. Companies turn to consultants to improve sales performance, scale operations, and adapt to changing markets, leveraging outside expertise to enhance in-house approaches. AI-powered consulting offers real-time data processing, scalable personalization, and automation, outperforming traditional methods by increasing speed and efficiency. Platforms like AnyBiz lead the way in AI-backed sales transformation, helping businesses achieve better results faster. AI transforms B2B sales by automating lead generation, data management, and personalized outreach, freeing teams to focus on top leads. Platforms like AnyBiz ensure efficient follow-ups and maximize engagement. AI enhances efficiency, accuracy, and personalization by automating tasks like data entry and lead scoring, allowing sales teams to focus on client relations. It also delivers precise insights and forecasts, helping platforms like AnyBiz target the right leads at the right time for improved results. Platforms like AnyBiz automate prospecting and send targeted messages, personalize outreach using AI insights, segment audiences for precise targeting, and predict sales patterns for informed decisions. These tools help sales teams engage the right leads efficiently and improve conversion rates. AnyBiz, a comprehensive AI tool for B2B sales consulting. AnyBiz is an all-in-one AI-powered platform that automates and optimizes B2B sales, allowing businesses to scale efficiently with personalized, multi-channel outreach. It combines lead generation, outreach, and sales management in a single solution, offering a comprehensive approach to boost sales strategies and customer growth. AnyBiz automates B2B sales with AI-powered lead generation, multi-channel outreach, and personalized messaging. It integrates with CRM for seamless management and includes email warm-up for better deliverability. Try AnyBiz's 7-day free trial to experience smarter, scalable sales. B2B sales teams face challenges with data overload, personalized outreach, and time management. AI tools like AnyBiz streamline these processes by analyzing and prioritizing leads, automating tailored messaging, and handling repetitive tasks, allowing sales teams to focus on closing deals. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.